Life is the essence of nature. Without life, nature would not be existed. You look at the animals, plants and insects, and then you appreciate the meaning that they give to life on Earth. Imagine how Earth would look like if it was devoid of living creatures. Definitely, it would look meaningless, murky and gloomy. For ecosystem to work properly and efficiently, existence of animals and plants are of great importance. Some animals are hunters, some other are prey. Also, plants are used as food and shelter for many animals and insects. Some species are carnivores, several others are herbivores, and the rest are omnivores. Therefore, all of the life on Earth are connected, correlated, and dependent on one another. Preserving the life on Earth requires great effort and endeavor from animal lovers, environmentalists, and governments. The life in the nature are protected by governmental and private organizations from the danger of poachers, arsonists, and other natural and unnatural causes. They are all done to prevent living creatures from extinction. However, recently scientists have commenced an awesome project to record the DNA of all life on Earth. Genomics field has seen a speedy and rapid progress in recent years. The advancements in genomics have increased the desire to do something unprecedented. That thing is to sequencing all of known and recognized eukaryotic life on Earth. The project will be initiated by the organization called Earth Biogenome. This project will be led by Harris Levin of the University of California, Davis, Gene Robinson of the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, and W. John Kress from the Smithsonian Institution. The project will take about 10 years with estimated $4.7 billion in costs. To record DNA of all organisms, 200 petabytes of digital storage space is needed, which is 10 to the power of 15 bytes. The study is published in a paper in the Journal of Proceedings of the National Academy of Science. Prior to this project, a mission of the same nature was done on humans. The Human Genome Project was a publicly invested plan to sequence the first full human genome. The project began in 1990 and completed in 2003, and it costed around $2.7 billion, which is around $4.8 billion in current value of the currency. The goal of the new project is to have same costs as it was in Human Genome Project, which in the end help to sequence, catalog, and analyze the genomes of all known eukaryotic species on Earth. Eukaryotics refer to all plants, animals, and single-celled organisms, all living things except bacteria and archaea. There are approximately between 10 to 15 million eukaryotic species on Earth, from a rhinoceros to a chinchilla down to a flea. Out of these number, 2.3 million of them are known and documented by scientists, and only less than 15,000 of their genomes have been sequenced. It is, however, unclear in what way scientists will gather and collect DNA of all organisms. But the end goal of the project is having digital DNA library of all species on Earth and help future scientists and people to have access to the information about these organisms. These arrangements will protect the living species in the case of drastic climate change and also from extinction. The living beings have too much value for Earth as much as humans do, and their existence should be appreciated and praised. Future generations and our children will be thankful for the endeavor to save and protect living creatures and organisms from danger and extinction.